Paper jam inside your machine or in the paper source? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to show you how to troubleshoot paper jams in your WG7000 series and get you back up and running in no time. There are a few areas where paper could be jammed, either in the multi-purpose tray, the paper drawer, the side cover, the output tray, or inside the machine. We'll address all of them for you. If you see this error message on your operations panel, a help guide will guide you through the next steps to resolve the problem on your screen. Let's start with a jam in the multi-purpose tray. First, remove the unaffected paper stack. Then grasp the jam paper on both sides and gently pull it back the way it went in, and it should release. What about a jam in the paper drawer? Open the paper drawer and check for the jam. Gently remove it and close the drawer. Another place to check for a jam is the side cover. Open the cover here, grasp the jammed paper on each side and gently pull it free. Close the cover. Sometimes a jam may occur in the output tray. To rectify this, reach in and grasp the jammed paper and gently remove it from the output tray. If you ever find yourself with a paper jam inside the machine, don't worry, you can easily fix it. On the operations panel, you'll be given a device paper jam error. Select Unlock to open the transport unit cover. It will take a few seconds to unlock and pop open for you. Gently open the cover door and using the green latch, swing open this compartment to give yourself better access to any jams. Carefully remove the jammed paper. Replace the swing cover and the top cover before closing the main compartment, pushing it firmly back into place. Congratulations, any jams inside the machine or the paper source should now be resolved and you'll be able to continue to use your WG7000 series.